everybody and welcome back. In this video we will talk about how to add or update company logo in NetSuite. So if you are in NetSuite and you do not see the logo right here that you want, and maybe you kind of have something else in there and you want to replace it, and this is the right video for you. So let's get started. So let's get to the NetSuite, and as you can see right here, I do not have it set up over there. So in order for you to do that, what we need to do is we go to Setup, Company, and Company Information. Once you're in here, you will see right there that you'll have company logo pages. Company logo forms, it's different. This is for your forms when you're printing from NetSuite. This is company logo pages. This is what goes right there in it. Now, display logo internally, this is what actually triggers that to put it in there. So one thing you have to do is you click on this to select your file. And as you can see, I don't have that file. If you don't have a file loaded yet, what you need to do is you can click on New here, and it will bring you to this window where you load your item from the computer or from the web. If you choose it from the computer, you can click Choose File here and select where it's gonna go. So over here, you can select the folder where it will be saved, and basically it's very similar, and actually it's exactly the same. If you go to Documents, Files, and File Cabinet, inside of File Cabinet, you can go and see the Images folder, and you click on it, you'll see there is nothing in there, and you can also click Add File, and this will give you exactly the same thing as you were in here. So when you're, let's go back. I like it to do it from here, and let's set up New, and let's choose a file. Once you choose a file from your computer, you can give it a name, company logo, whatever you want to call it, and make this available without login check. Everything else is like that. That looks good. I'm going to click Save. Now back into this window, I'm gonna click on Display Logo Internally, and I'm gonna click Save. And let's see what happens. Boom. Well, nothing happens. Oh, interesting. Well, sometimes NetSuite takes a little while for it to kind of cache and get to it, so let's click Home Page. Boom. Basically, by refreshing, you pull it in there. And so now, anywhere you are in NetSuite, for everybody who uses the company, once they log in, they will see this logo. Well, now you can change this to anything you want. You can actually upload your picture in there and have the whole company look at you. So I don't recommend it, but hey, you can do it if you're administrator. Well, one more thing, that if you guys, anybody know that how to replace this Oracle NetSuite, this is the logo that they give you, I would like to find out. If you know how to do it, please leave a comment. And if you guys have any suggestions for anything else, just let me know. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Keep on sweeting.